Hello and welcome to FXstreet Currencies in Play, brought to you in association with Royal Financial Trading. I'm joined by an independent FX strategist, Ryan Littlestone. How are you today, Ryan?
Very good. Is that yourself?
I'm okay. A bit more movement today, thankfully, in the FX markets. Any particular drivers that you can see?
Well, we're seeing the euro break out through 112. Just we looked, it's hitting sort of 120, 112.50, 60. We've had Draghi out this morning, and he's been his usual dovish self, saying stimulus is needed for longer. But on the flip side, we've had Fed's Williams out nice and early, and he's put a bit of a dampener on the possibility of global growth falling back, and I think that's shaken the market quite a bit.
Okay, well, let's have a look at the headlines as they were, the trending stories. Dollar yen jumps to 1 month high ahead of Yellen's speech, which is in London, so we can all go and see her if she'll let us in.
Yeah.
The euro under pressure as Draghi pours cold water on taper talk, but obviously he has to do that, and people probably don't believe him now, do they?
No, he's fighting a hard battle here because he's fighting against what everyone's seeing in the economy. So he can talk it as much as he likes, but the market's not believing.
The economy's going the other way, isn't it, as well?
The economy's going the other way, but he's in a win-win situation. If inflation does fall back, then the stimulus is warranted and he wins. And if the economy picks up and inflation rises, he still wins because that's the objective. So he can't lose.
Just like us.
Yeah.
Aussie dollar versus US dollar peeps above the 76 handle. That was also as dead as a dodo recent session. So looks like finally there's some movement coming.
Yeah, the Aussie dollar is one of those currencies that can bore you to tears at some point. Sits in a tight range, and then when it does start moving, it's a slow gathering pace, and it just doesn't stop. And iron ore's been up, and commodities in general are looking a bit more healthier outside of oil, and the Aussie tends to follow.